Stevie. This is my second episode. We're talking about jobs today. When I grow up, I'm gonna be kitty girl. If I don't turn out to be a kitty, I'm gonna be a elephant. An elephant goes if I can't be an elephant, I'm a polar bear. Oh, a polar bear goes and I go, my icebergs are melting because of global warming. I mean, what's up with global warming? People always complain about global warming. What's up with NASCAR racing? If people complain about global warming in NASCAR racing, you just drive a car around the track. Doesn't that seem pretty pointless? Come on, save the polar bears.